I'm going to go over one of the, I was almost going to say STLs, one of the collection pre-built data structures for you, because I want to just point out a few things. Now, there's many more things than linked list, but you know linked list probably pretty well, so I wanted to make sure that we're okay with this. So first of all, our overall setup for our incomplete base object, you've seen that before, but we need to make sure, again, that has a complete profile. All the setters and getters, toStrings, compare that we just talked about. It should have all of that stuff in there because the collections is really going to need it. So in the example driver that I'm trying to show you here is that here's our setup with our linked list. It is a custom object called employee, which we have right up here. I've created a couple of different ones here, and then I'll leave it at that for now. But overall, the code shouldn't be too crazy on exactly what I'm doing here, so that's the good news. But the crazy part is all of the features that are already built in for you, very similar to the STLs, very similar. So we have add first, add last. I can tell you, this is coming straight from the APIs, by the way, so it's not like I invented this. I probably haven't used all of these, but anyway, I'm highlighting the ones that are probably, that you're probably going to end up using. The interesting part is there's a get first and get last. Those do exactly what you think they do, but there's a problem with it, and that's why I have it highlighted in green here that we'll go over here in a little bit. But you need to go to the APIs, and if I tell you to use array list or I tell you to use priority queue, go to the API, and you're going to see a list that's going to look very familiar. And these are items that are already built for you, very similar to what you had in the STLs. Very similar. But there they are.